Sure.
That should be good, you leak through them. Okay.
I don't have very good. I have a better idea.
What?
I was gonna find a roof, but the roof is too bad.
Oh,
Tiny suckers. Look how tiny they are.
yeah, I used to have some. Yeah, because it burned out.
Light burst out and he's gonna get broken truck.
Like that, I don't know. I don't know what to put it.
Look at these bulbs. Oh yeah, upstairs. I guess my dad gave me a burnt out lights and he gave me a broken truck. So hey Dad, if you're watching this video, I got 2 lights. I got 3 different and you gave me a broken truck. So if you Dad watching this video, I say you're welcome.
Yeah. I got some on the right ones.
He's still looking. And then for oil filter, fuel filter was a little loose, so we're gonna tighten this. There's a few bolts that are loose, so we're gonna tighten up the few bolts. If you can't find it, we're gonna go buy some.
I thought I had some.
Today, right, Bubba?
Yeah, we'll get some when we go to the gym.
What's that? Yeah, cause you gotta go to the gym at 2 o'clock today, right?
Yep.
So we're going to the gym today, so yeah.
Right over here in this thing.
It works.
Yeah, they work.
I don't fall over.
What's that?
I said 2 people.
Got it?
One more. Do the reverse light now because it's like yours. I didn't feel like it's like one of those.
One of them goofy ones.
It's
Maybe set it on that. Oh, okay.
that's perfect right there.
Okay.
I have an idea. I'm just sweating in here. I said I sweat like a storm, I said.
Bottom. So, it looks like this one's kind of burnt. Just give me this one. Okay, cool. Trying to put the bulb in where
doesn't work.
What do you got on? Okay, that's the brake. Alrighty. No, I don't.
You just bad? Cause look how black this one.
Yeah, here we'll just.
What did I say, Papa?
Oh.
And look how. And now it is shut.
No, I don't. That's okay. Good.
Papa, you know what I'm gonna do?
But
If it's just this, Papa, don't work. I can get another one of these. I think.
yeah,
What are you gonna do?
we're gonna.
So what are you gonna do? Just test that because they don't understand it. They don't even know what they're. The key on.
Once he turns the key on, I'm gonna check to see if the backup terminal.
You need a
Where's your
flashlight.
light? Yeah.
Oh, there's-
No, just a minute.
Papa, Look at me. I think the lock is broken. Right. It should come up.
Well, it's not monkey.
I think Dad got one. Dad got.
Yeah, he probably goes to change the.
I don't know. Okay. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
No, it's not the way in.
Okay. The signal light and the brake light and the tail light work.
Truck, but not the new reverse.
Yeah, well, no, but the.
It's got a certain
Yep.
gap. I'm gonna check other sides to make sure it's tight, okay? Check down. For it, and I'll film it one more time. See, one of these days I'm gonna put a fuel tank. I'm gonna put a fuel tank back in my truck. Tank in the back of his truck, but we could put it back in his truck, but it's not. Our excavator on a trailer. It saves too much. 1 ton dually, 1 ton, because I have airbags at the back of my truck. I can carry.
No, cool.
I'm gonna change it.
Then I can't get in the drop. Stay here for now. We can move.
I'm gonna leave it inside for now, and
And
then
the keys are in it.
right here. And I'll see you guys. Adios later.
Yeah.
Adios later. Do it.